In this tutorial, we'll be seeing how to install our Java JDK. So first, let's check if our Java JDK have been installed to our system. So we open the command prompt and we type in Java minus then version, and when we hit enter, you will see that it told us that Java is not yet recognized as an internal or external command, which means that our Java JDK is yet to be installed. So we'll be installing it. First, we go to our browser. Then we type download Java JDK. Then we go to the Oracle site, which is the first search most times. Oracle site. Then we'll pick the JDK that we want to download. But I will not be downloading any new one because I've downloaded another one to our desktop, which is JDK 13. So we'll double click our JDK 13 to run it. Let's click next. Then you can change the folder, the installation folder, but I will advise us to leave it to the default, which is the program files. Let's click next. Let's close it. Now I want us to run it again in our command prompt to see if it has been installed. Let's type Java minus version, click enter. We see that we get the same error, but this time not because it have not been installed, but because it is yet to be configured. Now I want us to configure it. Let's go to our setting. And let us type environment. And I want you to pick the option that says that edit system environment variables, and we are going to path. But before that, let's open our Explorer. Go to C drive. Let's go to our program files and to the place that we installed our JDK, the location. Then let's go to Java. Let's go to 13. Then I also want us to select the bin, and in the bin we are going to be copying the path which is up there. So let's select and copy this part. So let's go to our environment variable, go to path, let's click on edit, let's click on new, and let's paste it. Click on OK. Let's set up the Java home also. So on this same place, this system variable, let's click on new. Let's type Java underscore home underscore home. Let's copy the path again, but this time we are going to move out of the bin. Then from here we'll just copy the path and then we JDK 13. Now let's paste it here. Click OK. Click OK. You can close every other thing. Now let's run our settings again, our command prompt again. Let's type in Java or minus version. Now we can see that our Java 13 have been installed. Let's also check our Java home. The same. So that is how we can install our Java JDK and also configure it. So thank you guys for joining me, and don't forget to check out our tutorial on how to install Intelli J, because we'll be using Intelli J for our Java programs. So thank you guys for joining me. I really appreciate your presence here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends. Until next time, take care.